Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the OKX application if you haven't done so already. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application, and if you haven't signed out, you will directly be taken to your homepage. Now, once you are on your homepage, to log out from your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on your profile. Now, from your profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on the Logout button, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Go ahead and tap on the Logout button, and now this will log you out from your account on OKX. But some of your user information might still be saved. So in order to remove this, long press on the OKX application and then tap on the Info button. This will then take you into the info page for OKX. First of all, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then tap on Storage and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner and the Delete button to delete all of the user data, including your login information as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.